Can I use a door hanger to hang my wreath on a glass door?
Hello and welcome to our quick guide on decorating your doors. Today, we're going to be answering a common question we've seen. Can I use a door hanger to hang my wreath on a glass door? The short answer is yes, you can. Let's dive into the details.
Why use a door hanger?
Before we move on, it's important to understand why we use a door hanger in the first place. Door hangers are a popular choice because they are non-invasive, meaning they do not require any screws or adhesive and are easily adjustable. They are versatile and can accommodate different types and sizes of wreaths.
What type of door hanger should I use?
When hanging a wreath on a glass door, you want to choose a door hanger that is non-scratch and stable. Many door hangers are designed specifically for glass doors and have padding or rubber protectors to prevent scratching the glass. Be sure to choose a hanger that is the correct size for your door and wreath. Adjustable hangers can be a good choice as they allow you to change the height of your wreath as needed.
How do I install the door hanger?
Installing a door hanger on a glass door is a simple process. Here's a quick step-by-step guide. 1. Position the hanger at the top of your glass door. 2. Slowly lower it down until it fits snugly. 3. Adjust the hanger to the desired height. 4. Hang your wreath on the hanger and adjust as necessary. Remember to take care not to scratch or damage your glass door in the process.
Are there other methods to hang a wreath on a glass door?
Yes, there are alternatives to using a door hanger. You could use suction cups with hooks specifically designed for glass surfaces. Another method is the use of a magnetic wreath hanger if your door is made of metal, but it's important to note that this method won't work on all glass doors. So, to sum up, yes, you can use a door hanger to hang a wreath on a glass door. Just make sure to choose the right type of hanger and install it carefully. Remember, decorating your door should be a fun and enjoyable process. Happy decorating!